Good morning. I'm looking a little bit crazy right now, filming on my phone because I did forget to charge my camera. I look insane, oh my god. I have a hair appointment at 10. It's now 9:30, so I need to get ready. But this video is gonna be glow up with me in like 48, 72 hours-ish for the Debs. I got my hair cut a couple weeks ago and it's way too short. I don't like it. Anyway, today I'm going blonde. I'm getting a full head of highlights. My hair is already like quite light, but it's not really super blonde like when I was younger. So we're gonna go blonde. Very, very, very exciting. And this is my before. Crusty, bad, just not looking great at all. And we're gonna go up for my Debs. The Debs is like prom in Ireland, if any of you don't know. Yeah, this is a final goodbye to my hair. My hair has never been dyed, bleached. It's my completely natural hair. There's no heat on it today either, that's why it's crazy. This is the last time I'll have virgin hair. Okay, I'm back and I'm blonde. It's definitely, I wanted like a nice warm tone blonde. The ends are definitely like perfect. The top is quite cool toned, but they told me not to use purple shampoo and that it would like be the kind of warm toned I want and stay that. So I love it though. It lifted so well because I already have quite fair hair. So I'm now blonde. Sorry, this is really wonky. Yeah, I got my highlights yesterday and I'm gonna tell you like the preparation I've done so far. So I've been putting rosemary oil in my hair twice a week and using a scalp massager to try and make my hair grow longer because I got it cut. I need to do like an everything shower, so I need to like shave my legs and exfoliate and everything and moisturize, because I also need to put on a layer of tan tonight. I'm not pale by any means, but I know my friends are all gonna wear tan and I don't want to look pale next to them with my natural color, so I am gonna put on some fake tan. That's a very common thing in Ireland, if anyone doesn't know. But yeah, right now what I'm doing is I just got back from the shops and I have a bit of a haul. I got some new makeups I can do. Well, my makeup obviously. I don't usually wear foundation and I kind of wanted foundation for this just to see if it'd be like longer lasting. I'm doing my own makeup, so I'm gonna practice it now. I'm not gonna show you, but I'm just gonna do like a practice full coverage and do an eye look and see how I like it. First I got the Medium Plus Sculpted by Amy Satin Silk. I got the 17 Glow Bright Blush Wand, which is like a dupe for my Charlotte Tilbury one, which is running out. I can't afford to do it right now. And then I got the Sculpt Define Contour Wand, which is another Charlotte Tilbury dupe, and I'm running out of like my Sosu one. And finally, I'm going back to my roots with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof one, because I think if there's a time where I need my makeup to last, it is this. It will update you when it's all off, and yeah. Okay, I practiced my makeup. It was good until the eyes, and I decided I'm just gonna do my normal eye look because I like it, and I think I don't want to mess it up the day off. So I'd rather just do what I'm used to. I suppose I do heavy enough eye makeup anyway, so it's alright. So now I'm just gonna go shower and get myself prepared to tan later, because I need to shave a couple hours before so I don't get like weird dots on my skin, you know. That's not the vibe, so we don't want to do that. I'm doing a terrible job at vlogging. I got my nails done. Little red acrylic moment. I was gonna get French tip, but then I went for red. I really like it actually, it's good with my hair. And my black dress. Hello, it is Monday the 16th. It is the first day of Freshers Week. I washed my hair last night to go back to my natural curls for my Debs. So it's very curly and frizzy, but we'll deal with that later. Right now, I'm getting myself to my first day of college. I'm only in for an hour because I have to miss everything I have later. Because I have my Debs. I'm wearing silver, which I don't usually wear, but saving my gold for later, and most of my gold stains my arms, and I don't really need that right now. I'm in from 9 until 10. I just have like an orientation thing. I probably don't need to go in for, but me and my friend wanted to, and I knew I'd just be waiting around all day. Oh, there's wasps. So I'd rather just go. Gonna get the train now. Hey guys, it's editing me here again. As expected, I got too stressed out when I was getting ready, and I got too invested, and I didn't take any pictures. But the whole point of this video was like, glow up with me in 48 hours. So I got my dress altered, I did my tan, I whitened my teeth, I got my hair done, and then I did my makeup and my hair. So I have to show you before and after pictures. So these were my before pictures, somewhere around here. And then my after pictures, I'm gonna insert a few pictures now. So we went to Pre's at my friend's house, and it was so much fun. Pre's is always the best, but Pre's are always the best. Grammar. Anyway, had the best time, and then it was Freshers Week, so I gave you a little Freshers Week vlog. Also did a really bad job of that. I've never really vlogged before, I guess, so I'm not used to it. But I definitely want to do more vlogs because my life has been really crazy and busy and hectic. And honestly, fun, so I should have been vlogging it. I went to vlog all summer when I was on holidays, and I never did, but I do want to get into it because I love vlogs personally. Yeah, but that was my glow up. Let me know if you think I glue up, guys. Kidding. And now we're gonna get on with the Freshers Week vlog. It is 2:30 in the morning. We are in fact not going strong. I am hiding behind the photo booth. I need a nap so bad. This is not good. I've been in college at like 8 hours. Hello, I'm trying to be a less vlogger. I'm getting ready for, it's my first night of Freshers Week. First night was last night, but I had my Debs. And my makeup is half done. I'm looking quite pale. Tonight I'm going to the Academy, which is this nightclub in Dublin. And it's gonna be fun. We're gonna have a good time. I'm really tired. I got home at 5 o'clock in the morning. I woke up at 8 for my lectures, and then I had 2 hours of classes. And then I went home. I was in college for like 4 hours in the end. It was a lot. But I made it. I lived, and now I'm going out. And I had a really nice nap when I got it. So I'll be fine. I'll be so fine. Okay. I'm ready. I don't know why my face looks so pale. I don't think it looks, I don't want to make it any darker. It just doesn't match my fake tan right now. It's fine. Not much to say, I just thought I'd tell you I was ready. I don't know. I'm wearing this and little black boots and my gold hoops, of course. Yeah. That's all. I'm definitely gonna forget to film anything, but I will try, but I don't think I'm gonna do a very good job. I don't know if I've gotten like anywhere near enough for a vlog so far. Oh no, there's been like nightmares with trains and everything, so I just haven't wanted to film, but I got my makeups. Good morning. I just woke up with like all my makeup on, I had to take it off. She doesn't like me. I'm so sick. Freshers flu has me down bad. Like, I'll update you because I didn't film last night, which is really bad because I had a really cute outfit on. I should have shown you. I went in for a debate
and we did not get into the debate because it was full, and I was very sad because it was meant to be free wine, so we did miss out on that. We'll get it next time. Yeah, I snuck into like the med student thing, which I was obviously not supposed to be there. I'm not a med student, but they liked me. It was okay. I didn't lie. I told them I was not a med student. I went in with my med friends. I'm exhausted. I'm gonna try to sleep again. But yeah, so yeah. It is day 4 of Freshers Week, and I'm officially bedbound because I'm so sick. I look crazy. I'm meant to have a white party on now, and I think I spent like €20 on that ticket. I'm not even gonna check because I'd be so mad. Waste of money, but it's okay. I'm gonna try to get better because tomorrow night's gonna be really fun. We have a white lies party, which is basically like you get a white t-shirt and you have to write a lie about yourself on it. I need to source a white t-shirt and figure out what lie I'm gonna choose. Yeah, and then there's like a party on the college grass before, so that's gonna be really fun, and I want to conserve my energy, so I'm in bed. I feel like I've been the worst vlogger ever. Not used to vlogging. I was meant to be an outfit of the week, but I don't think I've fully filmed a single outfit, which is really sad because I had some great ones, I won't lie. My one yesterday was great. We ended up like not doing the pub crawl, or we're going to the debate because we didn't get in, and then I ended up at like a med student event. I'm not a med student, I think I already said that, but it was fun. I had a good time. I'm so tired. Yeah, that's all, and I'm gonna go back to bed and wash my hair. It's crazy.
And I also forgot to film an outro, so hey, I'm back. Wanted to say I did film this on my phone because I was vlogging and because I was like bringing it around. Like, it started that my camera was dead, but then I was like, I'm not gonna bring a camera to my Debs, and then I'm not gonna bring my camera on nights out all week, which, I mean, I didn't film anyway, so did it make a difference? Perhaps not. Perhaps not. I'm definitely gonna try be better at vlogs in the future because I'd love to put out a few, especially if I have exciting weeks. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more fashion and lifestyle content. Bye. Thanks for watching my terrible, messy, chaotic vlog.